Hey crypto enthusiasts, this is Hashpi bringing you today's crypto flash news on this November 21st. Let's dive right into what's happening in the markets in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is experiencing significant downward pressure, dropping below $85,500 this morning, marking a 7% decline in just 24 hours, and a staggering 20% drop over the past month. Flowdesk reports that long-dormant wallets are moving coins to exchanges, creating sustained selling pressure. The derivatives market is showing traders positioning for further downside, with put options gaining prominence. The entire crypto market is bleeding red today. Ethereum is down to around $2,815, a 7.5% drop. Top losers in the past 24 hours include Starknet's STRK plummeting by over 16%, Near Protocol down nearly 14%, and even Solana suffering an 8% decline. The global cryptocurrency market cap has shrunk by over 6% in the last day, now sitting at approximately $3.03 trillion. On the regulatory front, big moves are happening in Washington. The Senate is grilling Michael Selig, President Trump's nominee to head the CFTC, about plans to overhaul cryptocurrency regulations. As the chief counsel for the SEC's crypto task force, Selig is advocating for clear, simple guidelines that would allow software developers to thrive while ensuring investor protection. Meanwhile, SEC Chairman Paul Atkins recently outlined the next steps in Project Crypto, proposing a coherent token taxonomy that distinguishes between different types of digital assets. Atkins stated that most crypto tokens trading today are not themselves securities, marking a significant shift from previous regulatory approaches. The framework categorizes tokens into digital commodities, digital collectibles, digital tools, and tokenized securities. In China, economic news is impacting crypto markets, as Japan just approved a massive $135 billion stimulus package aimed at easing inflation pressures. This comes as global markets respond to changing rate expectations, affecting Bitcoin's performance as an inflation hedge. Another significant development came from the SEC, which has reportedly dropped its emphasis on crypto sector oversight in its 2026 examination priorities. This regulatory shift, coming alongside the Clarity Act being debated in the Senate, could define when a cryptocurrency is considered a commodity versus a security, potentially giving the CFTC more authority over crypto markets. The DeFi sector is seeing innovation despite market turmoil. Aave has launched what's being called the first DeFi app that feels like a real bank, potentially bringing crypto closer to mainstream adoption. Meanwhile, Bitcoin mining is entering what experts call the 5% era with only 1 million coins left to mine, creating new dynamics for miners. That's all for today's Crypto Flash News. Remember, markets are highly volatile right now, with significant regulatory changes on the horizon. Stay informed, manage your risk carefully, and as always, protect your capital.